What's up, y'all? Crisco here. Thursday afternoon, May the 7th, 2020. And the birds, they chirping. They cutting up. They talking to each other. Wonder what they trying to tell each other. But also I want to tell y'all that the NFL schedule release is happening in about an hour. So I'm gonna make a little video seeing what the Saints 2020 NFL opponents are gonna be, times and dates, and who they're gonna play. So that should be pretty cool. So be on the lookout. We'll see y'all in a sec. Go Tigers and go Saints.